Alrighty, we're making a recording today at 5707 Southwest Lander Street. Date's November 2nd, 2020. Making this recording from the clean out here in between the two homes on the east side of the house. About 150 feet down the line. I can't push this camera any further. I'm not sure if I'm in the main yet. We're going to get a look coming back, but we're definitely in some plastic pipe as of now. And coming back from this point, we're going to check out the sewer line.
Is that just sitting water?
Somebody's running water. Yeah, somebody's running water.
Maybe that's my washing machine.
Could. Alright, right here at the 105 foot mark. I can't tell if we're dropping into the main or if this is the common shared line between the house on the corner. Now that I'm looking at it, well, still kind of hard to tell. But coming back from here, we'll get a look at this line. I know we're in 6-inch diameter clay at this point. And we'll come back. Got a small lip down there, not anything super major at this point. We're transitioning back from clay material pipe into concrete material at this spot. You start to see a little bit of sand and debris at the bottom of the pipe. This is from a break or a separation further upstream that's kind of washing this sand down into the pipe. So as you can see, we're about a third or so of the pipe is full here of sand.
Sleeving that, we could sleeve that to correct it?
Well, you'd have to clean it first. And, okay, so there's the tie-in for, that is the main way down there I was at. There is the tie-in for the, whatever house this is. What number is this? 27?
Yeah, something.
27 something. So this is where they tie in. You can see they got a bunch of toilet paper and sewage kind of blocking up already. It's from all this sand in the line. So what we'll do is, at this spot, we're going to zero out our footage again. I'm going to tie in on the left side of the pipe there. Somebody just ran some water and flushed the toilet, so that's maybe where the tie-in is for that other house. Come back from that point. There's another tie-in right there. So we will zero out our footage once again. Sand and dirt in the line there. About halfway full there. Back into concrete pipe again. You can see kind of there, the pipe's starting to separate a little bit. This gets worse as we get back here. This one's pretty bad, so there's a good 1.5 inch or so gap between the seams, and also in that bottom right corner you're missing a good chunk of pipe.
Yeah.
That's just on the other side of this fence here. And back into the back out of the shared line and into the personal line here. So you got some separation there. And a chunk of missing pipe there. Yeah. Let's do this. You want to kick on that shower downstairs for me for a second?
Yeah.
And cold water, just let it run for a minute.
Cold water.
Yep.
It's running.
Okay.
Want me to go make sure it's plugging up like I said?
Well, yeah, see if it's draining at all.
It's doing better than
It was before?
yeah. Can't turn on hot water. See if that makes.
No, then it just fogs up the camera and I can't see anything.
Flowing better than normal.
It's draining, huh? Somebody flushed the toilet?
Go ahead and plug it.
No, did somebody? Somebody must have.
I didn't.
Oh, is there more? You're not the only one home?
It's just me. Was that the septic thing?
Oh, maybe. Oh, that's what's going on. Yep. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, we're good to go, Tammy.